Hi, I'm Dave Maxwell, Manufacturing Analyst with Viewrail. Today we're going to talk about glass railings, specifically tilt lock. Tilt lock is a solution for mounting glass on an uneven surface. All surfaces have some inherent unevenness to them. The tilt lock system allows you some adjustability when dealing with those surfaces. You can mount glass easily on any one of our three tilt lock systems. There is the surface talon, there's a side mount talon, and a base rail system. There's also a standoff pin that's offered that has the adjustability to it, but we'll cover that in a separate video. There are only 4 components to the tilt lock system. First is an adjustable fastener. Second is a curved radius for the product to move in. Third is a place for the glass to rest. And fourth is a housing to contain the whole system. There are only 3 tools needed for any installation of a tilt lock system. First is a level, which you use on every system. Second is a 19mm wrench that you use to adjust the base rail. And on the side mount talons and surface mount talons, you use a number 6 Allen wrench. From vertical, all 3 systems allow you a full inch in either direction from vertical.